Hey guys, welcome to DIY Refashions with Ayana, and as always to my subscribers, welcome back guys. On this channel I share tips and tricks with you to help you execute the DIY creations I share. Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the best way to go from a low-waist jeans to high-waist jeans using these low-waist jeans my daughter got from my aunt. You're going to need a high-waisted jeans that fits you well, a fabric scissors, chalk, needle and thread, or sewing machine. First, fold your jeans in half from the front. Make sure to fix the front crotch properly. Next, place your folded high-waisted jeans, which is also folded at the front, on top of your low-waist jeans and make sure they are lined up evenly. Take your chalk and mark where your high waist crotch rests. Just leave everything as is and follow that curved shape the high waist jeans is making from your low waist jeans bottom zipper point to that new crotch point. Take your scissors and just cut along that line. It will look like this. Pull your jeans inside out. Hold the front and back points and pull to line up your left and right inner seams. Pin or clip together and run your stitch with either your needle and thread or your sewing machine. Here it is again. Fold your low-waist jeans in half at the front, place your high-waisted jeans on top of it, mark where the high-waist crotch rests, take your chalk and follow the curved shape the high waist makes, starting from the bottom of your low-waist zipper all the way to your marked crotch point. Cut along the line. Turn your jeans inside out. Pull front and back points, line up your inner seams, pin in place and stitch together. Low to high waist complete. Right here, I'm just refashioning the new high-waisted skinny jeans into shorts as my daughter requested.